This is Vin.
Me Vin.
I'm his dad, and this is his garden.
Me Dada.
These are our adventures. Today we're going to plant some more seeds, and this time instead of using the traditional seed tray, we've got a bunch of recycled stuff from around the house to show that you don't need anything fancy to get started. These are literally just plastic containers or cardboard and some dirt. Is your sister standing?
Yes.
Wow! Cool, we have broccoli, which is going to go in these toilet roll holders, which have been taped up at the bottom. So we're going to plant broccoli in there. We've got some capsicum, which we're going to plant in the yogurt containers. We're going to grow tomatoes out of a margarine tub, and some onions in a strawberry container. The really cool thing with this and with these, they've got clear lids as they work like little mini greenhouses, so it stays nice and warm and nice and moist, which is perfect for growing seeds. So should we get planting? Awesome. What do you want to plant first? You want to do the broccoli? Put your finger in and poke a wee hole. Yep. Now we're going to put a seed in the hole. We're going to put 2 in for good luck. See the seeds here? And you pop them in the wee hole you just made. Yeah? Pop it in. 1, 2. Perfect. And now we're going to just sprinkle some dirt on the top. Cover them up. Okay. And that's one done. We're going to do it again. Should we do the capsicum, the tomato, or the onion? Onion. Okay. So the onion is going to go in here, Vinny.
Done.
Done. I think we're forgetting something, Vin. The seeds. What do you think of the seedlings, Vin?
Good.
They're good?
No.
No? Are they great?
Yeah, good.
Do they need more water?
Yeah. Whoa.
That's nice. So we have a bit of a status update. We've got a lot of good looking lettuces, some kale, some Mizuna coming through there. You can see some have come up beautifully, others, well, not coming up at all. If you want to see the clip where Vinny planted these, you can check out the link in the description below. And if you want to see when they're big enough to be planted out, then hit the subscribe button and you won't miss a thing. Good girl!
It's it.
Hey, good job! Thanks for watching!